A meal prep business can look busy and still be losing money. Orders may be coming in, customers may be happy, and your kitchen may stay full. But if your prices are based on what competitors charge or what feels reasonable, you may not actually know what each meal is earning you. One of the biggest pricing mistakes in meal prep and personal chef businesses is treating ingredient cost as the full cost of the meal. But food is only one part of what it takes to complete an order. Your real cost can also include shopping time, preparation, cooking, packaging, cleanup, delivery, payment processing fees, kitchen expenses, and other overhead. And copying another business's prices does not solve the problem. Their ingredient costs may be different. Their portions may be different. Their labor costs, delivery model, overhead, and profit goals may all be different. A price that works for someone else may leave very little profit in your business. Imagine a meal costs $4 in ingredients. It might seem reasonable to sell it for $8 or $9. But once you add the time it took to shop, prep and cook, the container, delivery expense, processing fees, and your share of business overhead, that margin can disappear very quickly. The question is not just, what does the food cost? The better question is, what does it cost my business to sell this meal? A better pricing system starts with knowing your numbers. You should be able to calculate the cost of your recipes, account for labor and other expenses, choose the profit margin you want, and then see whether the selling price actually supports your business. You should also be able to connect that pricing to your client orders and the ingredients you need to purchase. That is what Meal Prep Profit Planner 2.0 was built to help you do. It gives personal chefs and meal prep businesses one organized system for recipe costing, menu pricing, client orders, shopping list planning, and business pricing decisions. It also includes guides and business templates to help you put the system into practice. Getting more customers is important, but more orders do not automatically mean more profit. If you do not know what your meals truly cost, growing the business can sometimes mean growing the problem. Know your costs before you quote your price. Meal Prep Profit Plan 2.0 from Foster Wealth Ventures. Price smarter, cook smarter, profit more.